Hey YouTube fam, it's your favorite mommy vlogger, Deka, Diary of an Abuja Mom. If you're new to my channel, I'm a lifestyle vlogger and a YouTuber based here in Abuja, Nigeria. I have two kids, Gina and Ife. So today I wanted to do something really different. Okay, so I posted a video where I talked about like a makeover I did in my house, and I wanted to give you guys like an updated makeover, and I just added a few more things to what I already have, so it's not as if I'm like doing anything extraordinary, but I did it in a very affordable price. If you know me, you know I like affordability. I don't like expensive things, like seriously, real talk. I think like I feel like if I can do it cheaper, and then there's no need spending so much money, except where except in situations where it's like there's no way, you must just do expensive, that one I hear. But if I can get something good, I know that sometimes cheaper doesn't mean better, or expensive doesn't mean better. See, I don't have plenty money, so anyhow I can just make my home very beautiful but very affordable, it's a yes for me. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys everything I did, you know, all the little things I changed. If you want to see my renovation slash my makeover, mini makeover, it's not anything dish kind, so don't expect to see like this one is $10 billion, this one is 50 billion. No. Expect to see things that are really beautiful but very affordable. You get? So if you like to see that, then keep watching. So first off, I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful rug I got. It was actually a fairly used rug. I got it from Lagos. I think I got it for about 12,000 naira. Someone actually brought it back for me from Lagos, so the person went to check it out. So if you don't have anybody in Lagos, please, I don't know, don't even try it, because you know that you can pay for something else and they will give you something else. But I love this rug so much. There is nothing you can tell me. It's so beautiful, and I love that the color is modern. I wanted to do something different from what I've been used to, and I wanted something that would go with my chairs and just the idea of my living space, and that was why I got this rug. And the next thing I did is to get more flowers for this space. I wanted something, as in it was looking too empty for me, so I wanted something different. This one that is looking funny here, it's hobby that actually put it. It wasn't my idea anyways, but it's not bad. It's not that it's fine, but it's not bad. So what did I do? I added this flower, this one called the cactuses, right? I added this, and then this one I got it for about 1,700, I think. I'm not sure, because I got two of them for like 3,500, so I'm assuming it's 1,750 I got it for. And then I got this one for 1,000 naira at Gariki Market. This one I made it myself. I got this pink one, these pink roses or whatever they are, for 800 naira the bunch, and this one I've had it by myself. But this cup was a broken cup. I was like, instead of throwing it away, it looks really nice, let me use it. You can see it's broken, so I was like, instead of just wasting it, let me use it to decorate my living room. And over here I just put my perfume bottle. Most of these things are not my idea, guys, let me not even lie. Hobby was the one that put the perfume bottle here, but every other thing here has been here. Another thing that we did that was different, guys, I know you guys have already noticed, are these curtains. Guys, we got these curtains from ABBA. So if you have time, or you know anybody in that region, you can go to ABBA and get the curtains, and they were really cheap, because in Abuja they're so expensive. I got these curtains for a yard for 1,200, and I got those things where you put the rod. I got them for I think 100 naira. Then I got so many other accessories, I can't remember their prices anymore, but they were really affordable compared to what we have in Abuja. So if you can, please look for a way to get it cheaper. If not, just do it here. After all, you'll be seeing what you're doing, because sending someone in a bar, except you know the person, you'll be so worried and scared. Then another change I made, I removed my wedding picture, my traditional marriage picture that was here, and I put this one that used to be in my dining area, because I just felt like it was just too much of my weddingness in my living room. I actually wanted to do something else, but it didn't work out, so that's why you're seeing this thing. Going over to my dining area, I made this stuff Just hold on. So we made this stuff by ourselves. We wanted something that will match with our chair. Can you see? They match. Then again, the head of our chair was having issue. It was breaking out. So we're like, let's cover it. And we got this material in Abuja for 2,000 naira. That's why it's so annoying. It's satin. It's cotton satin. The satin they use for cutting. You can see how annoying, expensive that is. So we got this for 2,000 naira, but we used half of the yard to make all of this. So about, let me say, 1,000 naira of it, we used it to make all of this thing that we made. We actually made it ourselves because in the market, anywhere we go to, want to make something, want to make this, everybody was acting like they don't know what we're talking about, and they were making it so difficult. Hobby was like, please, he can, so let him come and make it, and this is it. One of the changes we made is this thing we made here. This is actually my backdrop for my videos. For those that have been asking me, this is my backdrop. We made this in our dining area because there was no other place I could see space in my house. So I was like, let's make it here and let it also be like a decoration. And we got this flower. Let me just go close to it so I'll show you guys everything and the prices, because I like telling you guys prices. I got this one for 1,000 naira. And then I got this vase for 1,000 naira, and I got this flower bunch for 800 naira. You can see there are two flower bunches, this purple and this pink. So the pink is the remaining one from that other one you guys saw in the living room. I got these flowers at the Gariki market, and then I got this one from Fax Cash and Carry. I can't remember the price, but I know it's about 1,000 something, I'm not sure. And then I got this stuff for 500 naira. I got this one for the same thing, 1,000. And then this is my perfume bottle. Then I got this flower vase for 3,500. Coming here, I got this stuff for about 2,000 naira. And then we just added our pictures inside of it. You can see we went for an event and we just added our cute pictures in it. And then I got this vase, this beautiful golden vase for 2,850 or 2,950, I'm not sure, at Ebano supermarket. Ebano has really beautiful home decors, just that they are very expensive. Ebano, something like this, I got this thing for about 1,750. With that other one I was telling you, I got for 3,500, both of them. In Ebano, something like this is about 3,000 or 3,500. So Ebano is really expensive. And then coming here, I got this beautiful one for 1,500. So guys, those are the changes we made in our house. If you would like to know more, maybe any other thing that I didn't mention, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I love you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about the video. Until my next video, bye.